Right, here we go, my first ever single rail coaster. Oh! Oh man, I've no idea how far it goes. Oh my god, what's this? Ah! Ah! Oh god, oh god, oh my god, this is terrifying! Ah! Ah! Oh my god! Ah! Bloody hell! Oh, that's it, back up the lift. Oh, oh my god! Oh, there's the zip line behind me. Oh my god, that's terrifying. I'll try and get you a better angle. I think I had the camera facing down a bit too much. Oh man. Fast as well, that. Yeah, my first ever one. You get 3 goes, like I said. Get some pictures while I'm going up. Wow, that's pretty cool. I liked how it just that dip into the tunnel. Oh god, I didn't think it was as short as that though. But yeah, you don't need to touch the handle once it's going up a lift hill. Same with the vegan model as well. It just pulls you up anyway. Oh, that was awesome, that. Big long queue for it though. Oh my god, the lift hill's longer than the track. So you hold it forward now, you're off the lift hill. It took a while, that. That's terrifying. Right, here we go. Second run. Got a horizon lock this time. God. I don't like it. I shouldn't. I shouldn't be terrified. Oh no. No, I don't like it. Ah! Ah! Oh my god. Oh! Oh shit in hell. Ah! Ah! Bloody. Oh, it's so scary. Oh, anyone that does that full pelt all the way around is a braver person than I am. Oh my god. I don't even want to take my phone out to do an Insta story or anything on the way around because I need to hold on. I mean, there's handles on it as well to hold on the side. Oh my god. That's horrible, that. Right, final go. See if I can pelt it, which I highly doubt it. What happens if I hold on? No, no, no. Oh no, I can't do it. I can't do it. No. Oh. I think it's because it's a single rail. Yeah, watch your hands on this side here. Oh, because it's a single rail. You can feel it leaning and tilting like that. It's just, it's mental. Terrifying. Oh my god. But yeah, what an experience. Like, I'd definitely go over to Europe and do some more over there if I come across them.